Okay, and hello, my name is Chris Palmer. In today's video, we will discuss how can we go ahead and index backlinks. I get this question very frequently, so let's just jump right in. I have a great method for you. This will be very helpful on getting some of your backlinks indexed. So let me just go ahead and show you a way that you too can do this. So one of the best ways to do this is with two websites, and let me dive right in. So you're going to want to have your list of backlinks ready and head on over to reddit.com. Okay. Now, this site gets crawled all of the time consistently. Now, there's two ways that you can do this. You can either go over to the right-hand side and you can use the old Reddit. This method works very well. That used to be the best way to do it. However, now you can just simply go right to your post. So what you'll want to do is go into your profile, make sure it's your profile, okay? And you will want to create a post on your profile. So you can go ahead and name a title, something that's going to be very relevant to your website. So it could be anything, let's just say, okay. And then we can put whatever your list of links is, it does not matter. Okay. You can put all of your links inside of here, okay? You could fill this in. Now, I'm doing this as an example, so obviously I'm going to put in a little something more than a pile, but you can add as many links in here as you would like, okay? You can then go ahead and highlight them, and what's really good is that they'll make it very easy to fill out your anchor text, okay? Now you can change them all to be the same anchor text. You can change some to be this, some to be that, but stick with me here. I want to show you the second part. So once you go ahead and post this, all right, so you have your post. Now, as you can see up here, you have a URL. There's two things you can go ahead and do. The very first thing that I recommend that you do is you take this URL, copy it, and go directly to Twitter. Twitter is very, very powerful for helping along link indexing. I repeat, this is super crucial. Twitter is very powerful for getting links indexed and helping along the process. So you put it on Reddit, you take that address and you send a link right to it from Twitter. This will help it get crawled even faster. Now, you've gone ahead and you've put your links onto your Reddit page, you've posted it, you've then tweeted it out. And then the very next step, if you want, you see this link address right here, you can launch your favorite software, or you can go on to Fiverr, do whatever you would like, and you could send links to this page. Now, this is going to be up to you. I hope that this has helped you. As you can see, these are followed links. Give it a little bit of time, but you will absolutely start seeing some great results. For you out there that already knew this trick, I'm sorry, but for those who did not, I hope that this backlink indexing method has helped you. Do not forget the Twitter step, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO video. Have a wonderful day.